Welcome to Smart Care Hospital and Research Center, the future of healthcare management. Today, we are taking you through a premium digital ecosystem designed to make hospital operations smooth, fast, and professional. Our journey begins with the Super Admin portal. This is the heart of the system where leadership can monitor everything in real time. From the main dashboard, you can instantly see total earning from the OPD, IPD, and pharmacy. High quality charts show you exactly where your revenue is coming from and where your expenses are going, making it easy to lead with data. When it comes to patient, the system is incredibly organized and the patient directory stores every detail and the contact info to treatment history in one secure place. Whether it's generating a quick bill for consultation or managing a complex IPD case with the multiple services, the billing module handles it all with zero errors. But it's not uh, just about patients. Smart Care manage every corner of the hospital. You can track medicine stocks in the pharmacy, view live labs result in pathology, and even check blood bank inventory instantly. This ensures that life-saving resources are always ready when needed. For our doctors, the experience is even more focused through the doctor dashboard. Physicians can see their entire day at a glance, from upcoming appointments to live patient activities. They can review high resolution radiology, scan and lab report directly on their screen, allowing for faster and more accurate diagnosis. Finally, the receptionist portal ensure that the first point of contact is always efficient. Staff can check an occupancy and register new visitor in a second, while still keeping an eye on daily income performance. Smart Care innovating healthcare through digital excellence. As we look to the future, Smart Care remains committed to one goal: transforming healthcare through innovation. We don't just provide a software, we provide a foundation of a better lives and smarter hospital. It is time to leave behind the paperwork and embrace a system that works as hard as you do.